Ghana is seeking to position itself as West Africa's hub for car assembly. The country held its first automotive summit in the capital, Accra, with calls for the government to fast-track a range of reforms needed for that sector to grow. CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai has the data.
The automobile industry in Ghana is set to take off. At least 7 global brands, including this Chinese brand, Chang'an, have set up assembly plants in the country, and they say they are making waves in the local market.
This pickup is actually doing very well in the Ghanaian market ever since we started, because people try and they keep coming back and giving us referrals as well.
This first automotive summit in Accra has created a platform for car brands to display their cars to attract new markets and also discuss ways to make Ghana's automobile industry thrive.
I would like to see a whole assembly plant with just Ghanaians. So it's technology transfer here. These companies must make sure that they transfer the best of technology and keep the technology within.
In 2019, the government adopted a policy to encourage foreign automobile companies to build car plants in Ghana. Under that policy, legislation is being amended to ban the import of second-hand vehicles more than 10 years old. Ghana imports about 100,000 cars every year. The global car brands that have already set up their assembly plants in the country want to ramp up production here to reduce imports. The government also plans to introduce a 35% tax on imported used cars, which are between 1 to 5 years old. Local car dealers argue it will lead to job losses when implemented.
Nobody wants to buy a car and pay so much on just roadworthy. So it doesn't help us, we the business people. So we would like the government should come again, because it destroys our businesses.
Still, players within the car assembly industry want the government to implement the reform.
We cannot keep on dumping vehicles in our market. The vehicles that we are producing locally, they are as same as better and even good condition. We want to create our own used cars. We should collaborate and get this thing done very well. It will be a beneficial for everyone.
As the demand for locally assembled cars grows, Ghana hopes it will be a launch pad for the country to become a hub for car manufacturing in the sub-region. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.